Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to settings. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called WLAN. Click on it. And here on my networks, it will show you the actual Wi-Fi network that you are already connected in, or you connected on them previously. So you don't need passwords to enter to them. And here in other networks, it will show you the other networks that you may want to use them. So if you want to use a new network, you have just to click on it. For example, I will choose this iPhone Dumulka. And as you can see here, it will ask me for a password. So I should enter my password. And if I want to use a network that I used already previously, I have just to click on it. For example, I will use this one. And as you can see, I'm connected to Wi-Fi now easily. And also, if you want to connect your phone with Wi-Fi network in a more easy way, you can just scan a QR code of that Wi-Fi network and your phone will be connected to it in an automatic way. And to do this, you have just to open your camera like this and use your camera, and your camera will scan directly the QR code without any problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you